My name's Emily and I'm a third-year student studying chemistry at the University of Nottingham. I'm currently on placement at Upperton Pharma Solutions. I originally started my studies at a different university, but I moved to the University of Nottingham because I realised I wanted to do a placement. Nottingham was the perfect place that offered that. The career service at the University of Nottingham send out through their Moodle pages opportunities for placements because companies get in touch with them specifically if they've got links with the university. I saw the placement here at Upperton Pharma Solutions and I applied like you would any other job. So when I applied for my chemistry degree, way back when I was doing my A-levels, I didn't foresee all the different industries that you could be a part of. This can go from like cosmetics to even food, petrochemical and sustainable chemistry, and even beyond that. So one of the most rewarding parts of a placement for me so far is being part of a project from start to finish, one of which has been some tablet coating projects that I've been involved in, and the feedback I personally received from that was really good, so it's rewarding to know that your work's valued. I found particularly here at Upperton that the workforce is quite young and everyone gets along really well. Even with senior staff, you know, they get involved and come to all the socials, which is really fun. I'm a little bit sad to be finishing soon and leaving them, to be honest, but I'm only across the road at university, so I'm sure I'll keep in touch with a lot of them. At Upperton, we're quite lucky to work in a very diverse environment. In particular, we have a lot of women working in science here, and especially on our board of directors. I think as a woman, particularly doing a physical science such as chemistry, you can often be put off thinking that it's not the place for you. But seeing so many women, and particularly in senior roles, doing so well, I think that's really inspiring. So I thought it'd be a great opportunity, particularly for Women in STEM Day, to set up a panel to learn more about them as people and their careers, to inspire not only just me, but the rest of the company as well. On placement, I've been able to apply a context to a lot of the things that I've learned. Like, you'll know from being in a maths lesson and you're learning Pythagoras and you think, when am I ever going to use this in real life? Like, sometimes that doesn't go away and you'll be at uni and you might think, when am I going to use this? But I've been able to use all of those things I've learned in the lab and beyond, and then feed back to clients. Another thing that a placement's helped me with greatly is confidence, and that is personally and also in an academic sense. I feel like I can explain concepts and theories much more confidently. In terms of advice I'd give anyone thinking about doing a placement is just apply for as many opportunities as you can. You could end up falling in love with it. I don't think I ever thought I'd be working in pharmacy, but now I don't think I can imagine being anywhere else.